Discriminate on any out, we ride through any block. Hit his block early 6 o'clock and let that 50 rock. Capping zappers of that fan, nigga. Run up 10, nigga. This a box, but a Benz, nigga. Switch the van, nigga. In the hood, posted on the set. Pills and D on deck.
What is up, Just Kell? Go crazy. Go crazy, man. Go crazy, man. Go crazy. But I just asked y'all, should I do a firecracker prank on my mama? I just thought of it because I saw some firecrackers. So, yeah. I think that's what we finna do. I just posted on my Instagram and I literally just woke up. So, on PlayStation. I literally just woke up. So, yeah. We do this firecracker pranks, whatever. First show y'all the poll now. Hold up. Okay. So, I just asked y'all if y'all want me to do it or not. Most of y'all saying yes, so we got 24 likes already. Everybody's telling yes, do it. Just posted 4 minutes ago. Go follow me on Instagram at KELL.RAWS, man. But yeah, I just asked y'all if y'all wanted me to do it or not. Y'all was talking about yeah, so I'm a little blurry, alright. Y'all just asked if I wanted me to do it, so let's get right into this, man. Let's get it. Okay. So I just had some malfunctioning with my camera. So yeah, man, I'm gonna do this firecracker prank. Firecracker prank. Alright, so I'm finna, so these are little firecrackers. It's not, bro. Yeah, it's like firecrackers. I got like, I got these. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold up. These mugs hella big for these little. You throw them on the ground. See if you see. You see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see that? Bomb, big, like biggity bum. Bro, these mugs loud, bro. And I got hellas of them, bro. Got hellas of them, bro. Bro, look at this, bro. Oh shit, I just cracked. Okay. Got hellas of them, bro. Got hellas of them. You already know what the fuck going on, man. Fortnite's life, man. If y'all not playing Fortnite, man, y'all not living right, bro. Y'all just not living right. Y'all just not living right. Y'all not what? Fortnite, man. So if I'm gonna do this firecracker prank, when she leave out that room, cause I know she always in that back room. If we can get this mug lit, man, on the gang. Bro, change of plans. We finna do it on her daddy right now. Her daddy sleep on the ground, on the white on the ground. So we're gonna do these little firecrackers. I think I already saw the firecrackers. So is it gonna be fun? It's gonna be fun?
Yes.
And then later we doing a what's that stuff called?
Slime.
That slime stuff? I don't know what that is.
When are we doing it?
We're doing it today. We're gonna make a video today, alright?
When we leaving, how we gonna do it today?
Just don't trip about that. We're gonna do it today. So we're gonna do that today. So we're gonna do this firecracker prank on your dad. You gonna laugh? You can't. Okay, so you can't laugh when we in there, all right?
Okay.
Cannot laugh, all right?
But grandma's gonna.
Grandma, she gonna be like, okay. All right, so this gonna work?
Wait, let me get something.
All right, so you ready? Give me a high five. All right, yeah, we finna get this cracking.
So,
all right, bro. So you finna go get the pot right now. Let me go. Come on, shut up.
In here?
Shut up, Sassy. No. She, bro, she's so scared, bro. I swear. I'm gonna do it like a little pot right there.
In here?
Sassy, just shut up.
Can we get the pot? Let me hold him.
Alright, so we're gonna throw him in this pot. Alright, so Finna go place the, yes, that's in shot. Oh, that's why I like doing pranks where she always asking questions. I'm gonna put the pot on the ground. Right quick.
History of colon cancer or pre-cancer, IBD, certain hereditary cancer syndromes, or family history of colon cancer. Ask the doctor if Cologuard is right for you. Covered by Medicare and insurance.
Got the pot, got the pot. Alright, so I'm finna set up the camera right now.
You guys, shh, cause you're gonna wake my dad up.
Bro, she wanna do that so bad. Alright, so we're gonna do this prank right now. Gang. Say gang.
Gang.
Now put your hand over the camera. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, Mom. Get in. We're gonna do this, Mom, right now.
Take your shoes off right now. Right now.
Seriously, do you have any idea what this could do to my career? She baited me. She's doing everything she wants after all.
Did you do it on the thing?
Yeah.
Come on. Look at this house.
So that was the prank. If you like this video, like, subscribe, move crybabies, because she almost ruined the prank because Mom didn't want to do it at first. So that was good.
We gonna do slime next.
We gonna do slime next. We finna go get the slime right now. She was scared to do it the whole time. So I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, all that. Finna get the slime on.
But some didn't pop anyway.
Say on. Say when I say on, say gang. All right. On.
Gang.
Dominate on any out, we ride through any block. Hit his block early 6 o'clock and let that 50 rock. Capping zappers of that fan, nigga. Run up 10, nigga. This a box, but a Benz, nigga. Switch the van, nigga. In the hood, posted on the set. Pills and D on deck.